Happy Halloween everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into some fun and creative DIY wooden Halloween decorations that will add a spooky charm to your. Whether you're new to crafting or an expert, these ideas will make your Halloween decor stand out. So let's get started. First up, we will be making a wooden pumpkin sign. For this, you will need a piece of reclaimed wood or any wooden board, orange paint and a stencil. Start by painting the entire surface with a rich orange shade. Once dry, use a stencil to paint on a scary or happy face, whatever suits your Halloween vibe. You can even distress the wood edges for a more rustic look. Hang it on your front porch or inside to welcome your guests. Next, let's make some wooden ghost cutouts. These are super easy to craft. Grab a sheet of plywood and cut out simple ghost shapes. Sand the edges, then paint them white. Add 2 black dots for the eyes and maybe a spooky mouth. Place these in your yard or prop them up against your walls for a simple yet effective Halloween touch. Now, for a classic piece, wooden tombstones. You can cut tombstone shapes from plywood or purchase pre-cut pieces. Paint in gray and use a black marker or paint to add funny or spooky epitaphs like RIP or Here Lies Bob. For an aged look, you can use a dry brushing technique with white paint to add texture to these tombstones. Tombstones are perfect for turning your yard into a spooky graveyard. Moving indoors, let's talk about wooden bat silhouettes. Cut small bat shapes from thin wood sheets. Paint them black and attach them to your walls or string them up as a garland. These add a nice touch above your mantel or around your windows, bringing a spooky yet modern vibe to your Halloween decor. How about creating a Halloween countdown board? Use a rectangular wooden board, paint it in black chalkboard paint, and write something like "Countdown for Halloween" at the top. You can use white chalk to count down the days, making it a fun and interactive decoration for kids and adults alike. Next, let's try making some wooden witches' brooms. For this, you will need a long wooden stick, some twine, and straw or dried grass. Attach the straw to one end of the stick, wrapping it tightly with twine. Lean these brooms against your entryway for a spooky rustic touch. You can even add some twinkling fairy lights to give it a magical feel at night. Another fun idea is wooden haunted house decor. Find some wooden house cutouts or make your own from plywood. Paint them in dark, eerie colors like black or deep purple. Then add details like spooky windows or a crooked roof. These mini haunted houses look great as a part of Halloween display on your porch or as a table centerpiece. Looking for something really unique? Try making a wooden coffin shell. This requires a bit more woodworking skill, but the result is worth it. Build a coffin-shaped shell using thin wooden boards. Once constructed, you can paint it black or dark brown. Use it to display small Halloween trinkets or spooky candles. It's a great piece to have all year round, but especially fitting during Halloween season. Let's not forget about wooden jack-o'-lanterns. Instead of carving pumpkins, you can create wooden versions that last for years. Cut out pumpkin shapes, paint them orange, and add a face with black paint. You can go with a traditional look or get creative with different designs. Place them around your home or yard for a timeless Halloween feel. For something smaller, why not make wooden Halloween ornaments? You can cut out shapes like spiders, witches, or black cats from thin wood. Then paint them in Halloween colors. These can be hung on a tree, attached to garlands, or used to decorate your mantel. And for a final touch, why not add some LED lights to your wooden creations? By attaching battery-operated fairy lights around your wooden ghosts, pumpkins, or bats, you can make them stand out even more at the night. The soft glow of the lights will enhance the spooky atmosphere and make your decor look extra special. Before we finish, remember that you can customize all these ideas to match your personal style. Whether you want a spooky rustic Halloween or a more whimsical theme, wooden decorations are versatile and durable, allowing you to reuse them year after year. Plus, these DIY projects are perfect for getting the whole family involved, making the holiday even more memorable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So until next time, happy crafting!